Okay, we are going to be Lisa is going to be trying this Heinz jalapeno tomato ketchup. What's the calories on this one?
20 also.
20 calories?
Yep.
No, 20 servings.
No. 23 servings, 20 calories.
Oh, 23 servings and 20 calories per serving.
And this one does indeed have
Jalapeno?
Dried jalapeno pepper, spice, onion powder, and natural flavors, bell pepper juice concentrate. Okay.
Well, you should have the flavor of bell pepper for sure come through since it's concentrated. Now this one is, they consider this to be their hot.
Yeah, 4 notches.
A 4-level heat in their Heinz heat scale. I noticed you did a little smaller on this one. Probably a clever idea. Alrighty. Go for it. What do you think?
Yeah, you have a little bit of a jalapeno taste to it this time, more than just ketchup.
Okay. What's the heat like?
What is it supposed to be hot? This is like medium. I mean, the other
To
one's
you,
mild.
yeah, to you it's a medium.
Little bit stronger tingle than the what is the other one? The chipotle one.
Yeah.
So. Yeah.
But you would continue to use that? It's not too hot for you?
I do this for dipping sauce. Yeah, too.
Okay, nice. All right. Well, I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I will link it below. If you've ever tried the Heinz jalapeno tomato ketchup, let me know. And if you haven't, does it sound like something you would like? Are you a fan of jalapeno? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.